Hey, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? Y'all already know who it is. It's your girl, Empress. This is what the fuck it is. Because you know what is, what the fuck it is. All the time. Welcome to Angels of Earth Guidance Tarot. Because I'm here to guide you. Not misguide you, but guide you in the right direction. Not the wrong one. So go ahead and make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Subscribe. But most of all, drop them comments down below so your girl know what you resonate with, what you want, what you need. And if you need some personal time, you know how to hit your girl up. But I'm about to go ahead and jump into this. Already in the sage, the cleanse, and ask for the spirit guides, angels, the ancestors, most high, the universe to protect us in this reading. Let no hurt, harm, hate, danger, evil, wicked, deceitful energies, people make us or distract us or throw us off our game. Okay? Because we don't have that over here. You know, I'm a Virgo. Best energy ever is Libra season. We're gonna get them their respect. Happy birthday, Libras. Happy birthday, Libras. Happy birthday, Earth Day, Libras. Okay, happy birthday, cuz she's a Libra. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hurry up this reading because I got episodes that I need to watch. Your dad know, but he acting dumb. Then it says your stepmom, stepdad love you. Okay, they got your back. Okay, and it says you can talk to them about anything. Initials LMPSHTRK. Okay, MQFJVR or an S. Okay, so you can have a stepmom, stepdad with those initials. Okay, so what else? Negative family. Okay, don't want anything out of life, but it doesn't matter because God got you. Okay, your family could have been like runners, like never stood their ground, never really handle their business, never really took care of business, always ran when the shit get tough. Okay, it says you're too nice to these motherfuckers. They be talking crazy as fuck. Initials SPTJH. Okay, so somebody in your family with the initials be talking fucking crazy. It says little cousin scared to tell on them. Okay, so SKC DMIL or V. Your little cousin may be scared to say something about somebody, and with the black card, it's something that's negative. It says brother, not your brother your brother. They sneak dish you every second. So your niece could be knowing that her dad or hears people talking about you and really want to tell you, your little cousin or your niece. It says they hate your relationship. Okay, mad as fuck you happy or married to your person. This came out yesterday. So it could be the same fucking shit with this sister, this brother having this baby with your people or your baby daddy, however you put it yesterday in that reading. You could go back and watch that one and see if you resonate with anything and then come back here and see if this is a part because I don't know. It says your daddy ain't your daddy. Okay, my baby did for the truth. Okay, so something about that's your mom sneaking out on your dad and he may not be your dad. Okay, or this could be the situation with the baby daddy sneaking out on you with somebody and now he's in a situation where he don't know if this is child with this motherfucking person. Put it where it resonates. They want to take all you got. Okay, watching your funds closely. So somebody, this baby daddy probably ain't walking away from you, or this baby mama's probably not walking away from you because they have something to gain from you. It says, oh, you know your mom don't like you, stop trying. So you may be trying to have a good relationship with your mom, but she just really don't fuck with you. Or you could be trying to have a good relationship with your baby daddy's mom or your baby mother's mom, and they really don't fuck with you. And it's like, spirit, like, quit trying. Okay, you respectful. Okay, and I feel like you want to have a relationship, but it's a plot twist. They really just don't fuck with you. And it don't matter how nice or how kind or how respectful you try to be to some people. Some people don't like you that just don't fucking like you. Okay, last card. Any more cards? Last card. One card, two cards, not many. Okay, I got one card, then the bottom of the deck. Black sheep of the family. That came out yesterday, so you're definitely the black sheep of the family. Fake ass sister is a hater. Some just said split the deck. Fake ass sister is a hater and a liar. Okay, it says you caught your brother looking at your girl for the divine masculine, and I don't know what that means, but yeah, it says fake ass sister is a liar. And the card dropped out, so I'm going to see what it says. It says they mom, then I just said that, they mom talk to their ex all the time. Fucking liars are crazy. So didn't I just say it could be your baby mama, baby daddy, mom don't like you? Yeah, that's because they fuck with the ex. That's the plot twist. They still in cahoots with the ex person. Crazy, your mom jealous of you. Okay, so some people, they mama could be jealous of how they treat you. Okay, because that could be true. They could treat you like gold, and the mom could be like mad as fuck because they probably used to do a lot of shit for their mom they don't do anymore because they have you now. And the mom could be jealous of it, or this could be your mom as well, jealous of how, you know, your dad probably caters to you, and that's probably why she's stepping out on him and cheated on him, and now the fuck he may not think you his, I don't know what the hell. This shit be crazy, and I just want to let y'all know this be crazy, and y'all got all my guidance, and whatever y'all need help on, I'm here. It says years of them hating on you, it's not gonna stop. Look, they slapped it on my hand. Years of them hating on you, it's not gonna stop. You know what I'm saying? Because they're jealous. They want what you have. It says they want to beat your ass. Okay, your own motherfucking sister. Woo. So this sister wanna beat you up. Okay, fight you, talk shit, then kiss your ass, act fake as hell in your face. Okay, these motherfuckers really believe they lies. The initials is down there, LRTACWRB. They really want to fight you. It says, oh, you know, your mom don't like you, stop trying. Ooh, that's the second time. So stop trying to be nice and sweet to motherfuckers that don't like you. I don't care who it is. Who it is, because you're going to ruin your mental trying to fucking fix shit that people don't really want to fix. People don't, they know when they want to fix shit with you, they'll make it easier. But if it's still making it hard, then no. What the fuck? So that's it for the family secrets. That's crazy as fuck. It says fake ass bitch at the bottom of the deck. As soon as I just look, it says fake. So somebody a fake ass bitch in your energy. Talk that shit deck. I be trying to use 2-3 decks and then be like, talk that shit. It say motherfucking catfish. They fake as hell. That's my catfish card, mean fake as hell. Something better is fucking waiting on your ass. So spirit is saying something better is fucking waiting on you. Okay, so just wait for it to come. What else in this deck, Holy Spirit, for God, that angels and ancestors need to come out and be seen and heard? 1 card, 2 card, 3, not many. 1 card. Okay, that's 2. 1 card, 2 card, 3 card, not many. What else? That's 4. I'm gonna do it one more time, y'all. For y'all, I love y'all. So I'm gonna do it one more time. 1 card, 2 card, not many. 1 card, 2 card, not many. I got a flipper. Where is it at? Did it flip over? Yep. Okay. Now we always do the bottom of the deck. It say they not real as you motherfucker think. So they not real as you motherfucker think, whoever this person is. Then we have something better is on the way. Okay, then we have no, it's time to move on. So if you were thinking or you needed answers or you wonder should you stay, it's a no. It says big motherfucking liar. It's a no. It's time to move on. All they do is lie, 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 lie. It says take a fucking break and spend time apart. So you need to walk away from this person, spend time apart. It says one late night they fucked up. Oh. So this means bad. Like you see the arrows is letting you know, like you know what night this was. I feel like you know what night this was. It says fucking stepping on their neck. So I feel like it's okay because you about to step on their motherfucking neck. Okay, they stepped out one night and fucked up. You about to step out and keep growing up, ascending up. Okay, blowing up. Okay, they want to step out and fuck up. You want to step out and show up. Fuck. The fuck. Yeah, but let's go ahead and go into the karmic deck. I'm gonna get up in here. I was gonna get into the I'm gonna get into the karmic deck. Let's see what's up in here with us. What's the juice? What's the tea? 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 How y'all doing, spirits? How y'all doing, spirits? I felt that cold wind. That you gotta acknowledge when they're in the room, when they're in your presence and their energy. High spirits are the highest white light. Only if you are not, you can exit up out of there. Thank you, Holy Spirit, Spirit guys. What is it? Woo, on top. Look at it. Friendly. Somebody could be getting ha, ha, ha. I get ha, ha, ha. I get ha. I feel like y'all sitting back, think about getting high as fuck, thinking like, you know, where y'all pros and cons, you know what I'm saying, trying to deal with these mixed feelings, these, you know what I'm saying,